Hi guys, welcome to Tito Talks. Ako nga pala si Henry. So guys, this is my first video, introduction lang. And just wanted to share with you kung bakit ko binuksan tong channel na to and um, para kanino tong channel na to basically, no? So, but before I do that, let me share a quick story sa inyo. Uh, a few years back, I started a career. No? So, nasa BPO industry ako for like a little over 20 years. And alam naman natin yung buhay sa BPO, di ba? Sa gabi ka nagtatrabaho, tapos a lot of social gatherings, mostly sedentary lifestyle. It's a high-stress environment. Especially nung time na nag-umpisa ako, which is early 2000s. No? So, wala pang day shift noon, wala pang mid-shift. Most, if not all, ng shifts noon, or night shift, pag nag-call center ka. And it's really, for all intents and purposes, it's a high-stress environment. Kaya nga maraming engagement activities sa mga companies simply because a lot of people, they come and go kasi not everyone is actually made for that type of environment. So, medyo I stuck with it, I was in that industry for a while and I started early 20s, and over time, because of the lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, puro kain, social gatherings and all that, high stress, natural na I gained weight, a lot of weight. At my heaviest, umabot ako ng 250 pounds. And okay lang, I mean sa akin okay lang, it doesn't really matter, ang dami ko naman akong tropang medyo may kalakihan, right? And it was okay, right? Life was good. Pero eventually, nagkaroon ako ng type 2 diabetes. And I was 39 at the time nung nangyari yun. Pero after kung ma-discharge sa Asian, after 4 short months, I was able to reverse yung type 2 diabetes ko. Tapos I went from 250 pounds to 184 pounds. Siguro roughly mga 66 pounds, give or take a few pounds if my math is correct. So, okay, di ba? Pero at the time, nag-work pa rin ako sa call center nung time na yun. Kasi ngayon, nakabakasyon ako eh. So, after that, a year or two, medyo na-maintain ko yung weight ko. Pero eventually I caved in. I let my guard down, unfortunately. So, yun na naman, kain, sedentary lifestyle, halos konti lang yung tulog ko at the time. Kasi, as in marami lang talagang trabaho. And I gained weight. Up until December of last month, I was at 215 pounds eh. And ngayon mid-40s na ako. And I thought I could lose that weight immediately. Hindi pala ganun kadali pagka nasa 40s ka na, especially pag nasa mid-40s ka na, no? Well, fortunately, I documented yung process na yun kung paano. Pero still, fighting biology is not easy, no? So that's the reason why I created this channel. One, I wanted to document my process, no, kung paano ako nag-lose ng weight, provide updates out there, to give, motivation, insights for those people who are in their 40s, men in their 40s and up, who's trying also to lose weight, And also, this channel is not just all about that. It's also about talking about a lot of different things, health, wealth, relationship, anything na dinadaanan ng mga taong tulad natin. Kasi when you're at your 40s, ito na yung time na nasa peak di ba? Nasa peak ka ng mga responsibilidad mo sa buhay. You're juggling 20 different things, right? So you have your family, you have your work, right? Hobbies, right? Kids, alam mo yun, a lot of things are kind of pulling you around, right? People are just pulling you left, right, and center kasi sobrang dami mong responsibilidad. And most of the time, if you're like me, men are not very open sa mga nararamdaman nila, sa mga dinadaanan nila. Oo, may mga tao na, may mga lalaki na very open, right? Very vocal. Pero during my time, and I know a lot of people na hindi sila ganun ka-open sa dinadaanan nila, no? Most of the time, sinasarili nila yun. And they would talk about it, very close colleagues, very close friends, right? Minsan nga, kahit yung asawa mo, hindi mo nasabihin yun, di ba? And sometimes, mahirap din siya. Pag dinadaanan mo siya mag-isa, it kind of feels good na there's someone out there na knows exactly what you're going through. Someone who's just there to listen. And yun isa sa pinaka main reasons bakit ginawa ko ng channel na to. It's not about it's not about going viral, it's not about that, it's about creating a community around it. Yun yung pinaka goal ko, to create a community around this. Not millions and millions of subscribers tapos hindi mo naman nakakausap, right? So I wanted to build a community of like-minded people, like myself, para we can figure things out together. Kasi let's face it, at the end of the day, wala namang manual, di ba? Of how you can go through life, how you can go through things, right? Wala namang, okay, my marriage is screwed up, turn to page 37. Wala namang ganun, di ba? So you kind of figure things out as you go. Naalala ko, it's kind of funny, Nung 20 ako, early 20s, I had this mindset na feeling ko I had everything figured out. Alam ko na yung mangyayari sa buhay ko. I know everything. I felt invincible. Tapos, a few years later, actually, more than a decade later, pag tama ako ng 40, I realized na hindi pala ganun. I don't know a lot of things. And admittedly, kahit mid-40s na ako, I still haven't figured things out. I haven't figured out a lot of things. And I'm still keen on learning a lot of things kasi hindi ko naman kinoconsider yung sarili ko na matalinong tao. I love to think na I can still learn a lot from different people and from a lot of people. And that was one of the major realizations na I had very recently, na I haven't figured everything out. And guess what? It's okay. Diba? It's okay. Take it one day at a time, right? And walang masama if you haven't figured things out. Eventually, things will fall into place. Medyo malaki yung faith ko kay God, and I know God will lead us, guide us, and things will just work out accordingly. Minsan hindi nag-work out, only to realize na hindi pala siya para sa'yo talaga. Well, anyway, yun yung reason why I created this channel, and these are the things that most of the time we will talk about in this channel, you know. Nga pala, I created the Google form below. Just wanted to capture email kasi I'm planning to send newsletters out weekly, once a week. You know, just to reach out to the people in this channel, in this community, right? And also I'll be posting videos every Sunday, 9 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, ngayon hindi alam ko hindi pa Sunday, no? Pero it's just my first video. That's why, you know, I was kind of eager to really post it out, you know, go out there. Pero itong dadating na Sunday, I'll be posting another video. And alam ko, you know, for men like us, before I close this video, alam ko for men like us, it's not always a bed of roses, right? Minsan maraming mahirap na sitwasyon, mahirap na pagkakataon. Minsan nga mas marami pa yung mahirap na pagkakataon kaysa yung okay. Pero I just want you to know na, you know, you're not alone. You know, hindi ka nag-iisa, right? There are a lot of people, maraming tao dyan na dumadaan sa similar situation na dinadaanan mo ngayon. And you just have to tough things out, right? Kailangan mo lang pagpursigihan, right? And especially pag may family ka, right? Pagka may family ka, you know, failing is not an option, eh, diba? Especially for men, for people like us, right? Pero I hope guys I hope you enjoyed this video. Alam ko this is very short. It's more of a introductory video. I hope you can join me sa journey ko and, you know, be part of this community. Again, maraming salamat po for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.